Hello friends, welcome to your own YouTube channel, Achievers Data Engineering. My name is Gyanendra and this is part 2 of getting started with Power BI beginner to pro crash course. Alright, so in this video, we will talk about downloading and getting up and running your desktop application. So as we discussed in the previous video in the part 1, the only application which we need in order to develop and start creating visualizations or doing data modeling in Power BI, we need this desktop application. All right, so let's get started. All right, guys. So in order to download a Power BI desktop application, we will jump directly on powerbi.microsoft.com website. We'll go into the products, select Power BI desktop. Now it will open a new page. Now we can go ahead and download this Power BI desktop application for free. There is no charge for that. So we can hit on this download for free. Now on the next page, select the language. And based on your system configuration, which is going to be most likely 64-bit machine, so just check this one. Otherwise you can go ahead and check this one, click on next, and once you'll do that, it will start downloading the Power BI desktop application in your PC. So just wait for a couple of seconds while it is downloading. I'm just going to pause the video. All right, it's done. So I'll just go ahead and click on open. Now it's really straightforward and simple process to install Power BI desktop application in your PC. I just clicked on next. It is preparing to install. Now I just need to follow the process. I need to accept the terms and conditions and licensing agreement. Click on next. Now you just need to follow, click on next, and it will start installing this in your PC. Now because I already have this installed in my machine, I'm not going to install it right now. So just go ahead and click on install and it will be installed in your desktop. If you face any challenges, do let me know in the comments. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. If you like the content, do not forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and stay tuned for upcoming videos of Power BI beginner to pro crash course tutorial series. Thank you for watching. Keep learning. Have a great day.